So it starts now? Okay, so it's live, you're starting. Okay, here we go. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. How are you guys doing? I'm Ritik, this is Yami. Nice to meet you all. Wow. Shall we sit here? Okay. Come.
Okay. Hello guys.
आप सब इतने शांत क्यों हो? I thought there was going to be a party here.
Yeah. Like some
So there'll be, like,
cheering, some
noise
hooting
and-
or some noise. Once again. Yay.
Okay. Thank you. So,
Guys, don't be so startled. You can start asking them questions. Say hi, hello.
there must be
that's
something that you want to say. Come on. No?
Whoever.
Nothing at all?
Your names maybe to
I'm
start
gonna read your
with
minds.
something.
Okay, let me just ask. Who's
Where you
like
guys
a
are-
bigger fan? Let's do a...
Sweet.
So how long have you been waiting to meet Ritik?
7 years?
Years?
7 years. I don't believe that because you're not even saying a word. Huh? Oh, sweet.
I saw you on Couple dancing with this girl and I was like, one day I'll meet him. You were dancing on Inkal Kajina with your fan.
Really? Well, we are here now. You can do whatever you like. Are you all from here? Are you all from Bombay or?
I'm
Yeah.
from Gujarat.
You're from Gujarat?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm working here.
Okay. Well, nice to have you here after 7 years.
But I can see even the guys feeling shy. For you again.
And how do you know
I
that?
can
Let's ask
definitely
them.
know. Am I right? See, the one who said it.
So come, let's have a chat here. Let's ask us whatever you want. 7 years you've spent, you must be having some questions.
What's the craziest thing? How many posters did you have of Ritik?
I had a scrapbook and I used to collect pictures from newspapers.
Oh, sweet, yeah. Thank you. What's your name?
Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna. Nice to meet you, Krishna.
You said my name.
I can't need to upload it on Facebook.
Why don't we take a picture? Come on, guys.
Yeah,
you want to take
let's-
some pictures? Huh? Come on. I mean, you have to move at least a little bit. Come on.
Go behind the couch.
Come. You want to come behind the couch?
Yeah, you guys can sit and let them stand here.
Okay, so let's get a group shot and then maybe afterwards we can do selfies and stuff, yeah? Sure, come. Okay, so we sit back down. Yeah, so and we'll come as close as possible so we're also part of a nice frame. Okay. And who's gonna click?
Some noise, something.
Yeah, there.
Let's say Kabel together. 1, 2, 3, and Kabel! You guys
Thank
are
you.
really like...
No, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Just be yourselves. Be comfortable. You don't have to, be forced to. But just you guys being here makes us feel really, really nice. So,
Yeah.
thank you.
Being here makes us feel exhilarated, I guess.
They're talking here
Thank
now.
you,
Please.
Huh? No, yeah. There's no need to be. Yeah. Should just.
So,
You have a
okay,
cameraman.
I guess for the people who are watching this online, we're going to be back soon with Ritik and Yami answering questions from you guys in the comment section. And if there's any last hoots or words that you guys would like to tell them before we end this.
Oh my God, Ritik. Anything? Anything?
Ask
I think you want to say something.
one second.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I want to say that she's my best friend and she's been like crazy about you from school. And we've come to your house, we've stood down, we've
Really?
waited for you.
There you go. Yeah, stories.
Yeah, we've done very crazy things. We used to make posters. I used to give. We've done a lot of your scrapbooks and posters for her birthday. So
Oh,
I would like you to
that's
tell her
so
something.
sweet. I'm gonna give her a hug. Oh, sweet. Thank you. So nice to meet you.
I don't think she has any words to say right now. She was like,
That's
she was
okay, I'm
so
feeling it.
anxious.
I'm feeling it.
Welcome, like on the way, she was like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
So sweet.
Well, you can, as I said, do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, I think she would want to say something.
I really want to thank you because in school I used to read a lot of your interviews and they really inspired me when I was going through something really difficult. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thank you for encouraging me. That
Ma'am, you have such a
It
sweet
motivates
smile.
me.
I
Thank
think you also want to say something.
She is also a really big fan.
बता नहीं रहे आप लोग कुछ मुझे कैसे पता How sweet. How sweet. इसीलिए
Hi Ritik.
Thank you.
Hi,
बहुत शुक्रिया.
this is Sameer here.
Yeah, sir.
So I've been a big fan of your dancing ever since Kauna Pyare came out, and
Thank
we've
you,
been
yeah.
dancing on those songs like I don't know, entire school
I
time.
believe you're a dancer. I believe
I'm
that.
not a dancer. You're probably trying
I
my two
believe
left
that as
feet.
well.
No, but yeah, but the first time I saw that movie Guzarish, I was just completely floored by your acting. I really
so
liked
much.
a lot of things that you said about life, which I really tried to take up in my life as well. And after that, when I saw the trailer of Kabil, I thought this is something is gonna be like matching up to that, or maybe taking it over.
Thank you
How
so much.
sweet.
I
Thank
hope you
you.
like it. I hope I'm just. Thank you.
Thank you, Smith.
Feels good.
Sir, you're a
Some-
fitness freak, and I read somewhere that you had to gain weight for your role in Kabil.
Yeah, yeah, I
So
did.
how
I
was
did.
it? Like gaining weight for a fitness freak would be like.
I know, yeah. But you know, I enjoyed it. Yeah. I mean, I
Yeah?
love food, so it was nice for me to let go. I mean, you know, I can easily say that I had to sacrifice, I had to gain weight, I had to let go of my muscles and stuff. But I enjoy it when I can do a role where I can get fat, and just enjoy the food. And so I had a party, but yes, I made sure that I don't look as sharp for this character because it might become like a bit of a distraction. Because it's a very, very real film, and I really felt for this character, so
Yeah.
I wanted it to look, real and nice.
Thank you.
There I drust hai. Now you guys have started talking. Okay.
Hi Ritik, hi Yami.
Hello.
Hi.
Like, I just want to comment, like, you guys look very cute together on screen.
How
Thank
sweet.
you, yeah, thank you.
I just wanted to know, like, how difficult it was for the acting. Like, you guys been, like, plotting, like, you guys both are blind in the movie. So it's difficult to act in this way because it's not like, it's something different from the other that you have been doing. So how
Yeah,
difficult it was?
for a difficult role, if you get actors who are good and honest and connect, even as I think as human beings. Wow, there's music while I'm
there's-
talking.
Yeah, about
I think
it.
it goes with the context. So I'm talking about lovely things. Yeah. So as difficult as it was, working with Yami, just made it all so easy because she's just so amazing. And I'm so thankful that I got a chance in this film to work with her because it's really added to the film, to my work. So yes, difficult individually, but when we were together doing the scenes, everything just flowed so organically. Yeah. I don't know what the reason for that is really, but I'm guessing, it was just the kind of person that she is and the kind of person I am. I think the comfort factor was just immediate. So that really helped, yeah, because if you're not comfortable and trying to create something, it can become difficult. So this became very easy, I think. I think we were all the time,
Absolutely. And you know what? Honestly, I understand this emotion where you're just sitting and secret. I can also be seated right there, one of them, and just sit like this because there's a humongous but an internal admiration, inspiration, like how you all said, for various reasons. And I've had the privilege to work with him and to also know him at a humanitarian level. And I think I don't want to use very heavy words and make it sound very philosophical, but he is somebody imagine through an interview, if we can, inspire someone. I worked with him. So there's been a 360-degree change, I feel, in me as a person and an actor. And so, we love you, Ritik.
My God, thank you. I'm embarrassed now. I don't know what to say.
So
Speechless.
on that note, we should come back again. You should probably ask your fans who are watching this that you're going to promise them that you're going to be back in another 5 minutes.
Oh yes, of course. We aren't going anywhere. So be there because we are going to be right back.
Yes.